Hi YouTubers, Marko here with Marko Custom Models. Coming to you with a couple of kits I got. I was on vacation for a week and I was at a couple of hobby shops. And this one hobby shop happened to have some stuff on consignment, which was really neat. They had some old stuff that wasn't even opened and some stuff that interested me where I got these two kits. This 1970 Olds 442 Testors kit. The HSO stands for Hobby Shop Only, and I want to unbox this kit in this video because I've never seen anywhere on the internet, on Google or YouTube, of any of this model being unpacked. So I'm kind of excited about that, and you'll be able to see that too. So I'll unbox that just for now, and then I also picked up this moving violation gasser, which is like 41 Willys by Revell, and there's a tie-in on this. I have a resin that I picked up and I showed you in a previous video of an Austin kit, and I had mentioned on the bottom of the box there's sort of Revell monogram cast in the bottom, and somebody commented that the box came out of this kit here, and that just sort of jarred my memory instantly when he mentioned that I had this box top from the old 41 Willys pickup Revell. It's another version of basically the same kit, and I remember having this box top lying around. I never had the kit, and yeah, so that sort of clicked in my head. So when I went to the hobby shop and came across the moving violation gasser here, it's got all the pieces if I wanted to throw it under this, but what I'll do is I'll scratch build the chassis and everything to fit under the Austin, so I still have the Willys kit, but it's something to kind of go by and just give you some ideas. So I just thought that was an interesting tie-in, and I wanted to share that with you. Now let's unbox this 70 Olds. So the 70 Olds kit, from what I would guess from other Testors model kits that I've bought in the past, is they use a Johan, and Johan is some nice stuff, and this kit seems to be the Johan kit from what I understand. I've never seen anyone unbox one or seen one out of the box, so let's do that together. It's a sealed box. Here we go. I'm excited for this kit because I had a 1970 Oldsmobile I used to drive around, and it has the same rear fenders as this. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. Roof's not squished or anything. That's good. Nice straight body. Oh, beautiful lettering in the side. Oldsmobile 442. We can cut this bag open. That. Love these old kits. Body seems to be fairly straight. Casting looks pretty good. There's a couple of things to fix there. That's great though. The body. Okay. Typical parts for simple. Yeah, it's got the custom front end and taillight assembly and the engine. This looks like the Johan kit for sure. Some people were saying that it might be the old AMT release, but this is definitely the Johan kit. Looks like Johan inside. Beautiful engine block detail. So this is another thing that the kit comes with that's special to the Testors kit, is these cast wheels, custom, maybe like 18s or 17s. And then some tires that go along with those. So that's kind of unique to this Testors model. I threw it in. And then it comes with, oh, look at this, beautiful already printed red line tires. So that's really nice. You don't have to worry about putting the red line on. It's already on there for you. That's fantastic. You got the red custom taillights and original taillights for the 442 there. Very nice. And nice consistency in the coloring. The glass. when you buy a kit like this, one of the things I like to do is I take this glass and I'll put it in a separate bag, plastic Ziploc, so nothing scratches it. As you can see, it's got some from moving around, but that can all be polished out. So that's good. And the chrome, let's see what we got here. That's got the original grill, original style wheels. The back bumper has the 1970 molded right into it, and then there's some pieces for the custom grill and that. I'm not gonna just leave this in the bag for now, but just make sure you get a good view of it. Beautiful. And of course the other 3 tires, and then the instructions. So that's awesome. I was really excited to get that kit, and I'm excited to be able to share that with you. And I hope you enjoy this, because like I said, I haven't seen anybody do an unboxing of this particular model kit before, so it's a good kit if you can find one. I guess they're not that hard, they're not that easy to come by, so if you get your hands on one, I don't think you'd be disappointed. So thanks, and please subscribe and have a great day.